All right, so I'm back and I was about to finish, and then all of a sudden it stopped on me. So let's finish this off real quick because I know that you've been sitting and waiting. So if you do the opposite, if you add one to both sides, your x is going to end up being a positive one, and if you subtract 4 from both sides of the equation, you're going to end up with -4 is equal to x. And you can double check your answers when you're on the calculator. Please feel free to double check. Doesn't mean don't show your work, but you still got to double check. So real quick, in case you see something that looks like this is f of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 1. So we're solving again. We're looking for the 2 points, the 2, maybe 1, maybe none, where this parabola crosses the x-axis. In this case, we're going to go ahead and factor, but you know f of x means y. But I don't care about that. I just want it equal to 0. So you're going to have x squared minus 2x plus 1. And on this note, you want to go ahead and factor the 1, which is easy, 1 times 1. And that's going to leave us 0 equals the 2 binomials of x and x. And since it's 1, it really doesn't matter, except what I didn't do is, look, I need it to be a -2. So it's not 1 times 1, it's -1 times -1. So this should be x minus 1 and x minus 1. And when I get back, we're going to talk about these special ones. But real quick, if you take a look at it, what's going to happen? When I move the -1 or the -1 to the other side, it ends up a +1. So do I have 2 solutions? 1 solution or none? It's the same factor. So at this point, you only have 1 solution. So if you add 1 to both sides, you're going to end up with x is equal to 1. So in this case, it's 1 solution. And if you want to check me, you can graph it on your calculator and you're ready to go. These videos are on my YouTube channel, and you can probably Google my or look for my name, G Barai or Gina Barai, 2 N's, and you can find them yourself. But they are open to the public. You can go back and watch these. Today you have the notes, and you're going to do a practice before you leave. And I believe tomorrow you have an assignment, if not a quizzes to do. I will not see you till we come back from spring break. I think there's a little spring break homework that is out there for you, and I believe Mr. Acosta will pass that out to you in just a few minutes before you leave today, in case some of you don't come tomorrow. But be safe over your spring break. Do a little bit of work so that you don't forget everything, and then behave while you're with Mr. Acosta today and tomorrow. And I will see you when we get back. And before you know it, we're going to be getting ready for our test and getting ready to move on to the high school. So everything's coming fast and furious. Be good, kids. You know I love you. I hope you're paying attention, and I hope everybody understood. If you don't, feel free to get your Chromebooks out, look up my channel, look me up, watch the videos again, and good luck. Bye, guys. Have a great spring break. I'll see you when we get back.